kindly like, share, and please subscribe our channel. We need your support, so please subscribe our channel. And if you have any question regarding any medicine, do mail us. We will respond you. So please. It is used to treat certain stomach and esophagus problems. It works by decreasing the amount of acid your stomach makes. It relieves symptoms such as heartburn, difficulty swallowing, and persistent cough. This medication helps heal acid damage to the stomach and esophagus, helps prevent ulcers, and may help prevent cancer of the esophagus. It belongs to a class of drugs known as proton pump inhibitors. How to use? Follow all directions on the product package. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, take it as directed. If you are uncertain about any of the information, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once daily. The dose is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. In children, the dose is also based on weight. Do not crush or chew the capsule. Swallow this medication whole. If you are using disintegrating delayed release tablets, use dry hands to handle the tablets if needed, and tablets may be taken along with this medication. If you are also taking sucralfate, take omeprazole at least 30 minutes before sucralfate. Use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. Continue to take this medication for the prescribed length of treatment if you are feeling better. Tell your doctor if your condition does not improve or if it is worsened. The risk of side effects goes up over time. Side effects: abdominal pain and headache. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. If your doctor has directed you to use this medication, remember that he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effect. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, including symptoms of low magnesium blood level and signs of lupus. This medication may really cause a severe intestinal condition due to a type of bacteria. Do not use anti-diarrhea or upper medication if you have any of the following symptoms, because this product may make them worse. Tell your doctor right away if you develop persistent diarrhea, abdominal or stomach pain, cramping, fever, blood or mucus in your stool. Rarely, proton pump inhibitors have caused vitamin B12 deficiency. The risk is increased if they are taken every day for a long time. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, get medical help right away if you notice any symptom of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, trouble breathing, and sign of kidney problems. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or precautions. Before taking omeprazole, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain some inactive ingredients which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to your pharmacist for more detail. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of liver disease and lupus. Some symptoms may actually be signs of a more serious condition. Get medical help right away if you have heartburn with lightheadedness, sweating or dizziness, chest, jaw, arm or shoulder pain, and unexpected weight loss. Proton pump inhibitors may increase your risk for bone fractures, especially with longer use and in older older adults. Talk with your doctor or pharmacist about ways to prevent bone loss or fracture, such as by taking calcium and vitamin D supplements. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription, non-prescription, and herbal products. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially bone loss and fractures. Children may be more sensitive to the side effect of this drug, especially fever, cough, and infection of the nose, throat, and airways. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This drug passes into breast milk. The effects on the nursing infant are unknown. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding.